Ranch.
May I have ranch and...
What is it? Oh,
this is breakfast, by the way.
Yeah, so we're having Wendy's for breakfast.
We're just gonna go all out today because it's a special day. We have Adrian back here.
Yeah.
And guess what, you guys? We're going to Knott Spray Farm.
Yeah.
You know, growing up, we never had Wendy's. I started having Wendy's.
You grew up with like what, Burger King?
Burger King and McDonald's. And I started having Wendy's ever since we got married.
Yeah, Wendy's is my favorite fast food.
It is so good.
My favorite
and
fast food.
Worth your money.
It's better than In-N-Out.
Honestly, no.
It is.
No, I don't know about that. But it is much.
No.
But I will say that it's the meat. You can tell the different quality of meat.
Yeah, that is better than In-N-Out.
I am not saying that. In-N-Out, don't listen. I love you.
In-N-Out.
Yeah, I agree with Amy.
Yeah.
Adrian is agreeing that In-N-Out's better and hasn't even tried Wendy's yet.
So we're gonna go to Knott Spray Farm today. We're gonna get on. We want to get on rides, but we also want to. We're going because we want to see the show.
Thank you. Are all of us ready? Yes. Thank you.
We're so excited for the shows.
So hungry. Here's all my chicken nuggets.
No, just eat them, dude.
Sure?
Yeah, you eat a big meal because you're not gonna eat inside. We're not gonna get you anything inside.
Well, he gets a free meal.
Oh, that's right.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Yes. No, this is his.
Bruh.
Sir, switch.
In serio, bro?
Yeah, that's his.
Okay, so he just gets the sandwiches.
No, he doesn't. They just added another sandwich.
Little Bob.
Dang, you've been into the sandwich.
It's fine. We share.
Mmm. Tasty.
I don't like pickles though.
What?
Yeah, that was really good.
Good
I love
choice.
Wendy's.
Good choice.
I don't like mustard either.
Oh my god. How do you not like mustard?
What do you like, Adrian? What do you like? How about that? We have a Seasons Pass. Highly recommend it. Knott is amazing. There's everything for everybody. There's shows for families. There's rides for little kids. There's big rides for the thrill seekers. I really recommend Knott Spray Farm. If you live in Southern California,
It's worth it. It's better to relax.
Oh, it is crowded.
oh, Merry Christmas over here. But it is packed.
That guy's wearing a Trout jersey.
Oh, was he? Mike Trout, MVP, 2019.
My husband is a huge fan of the
Mike
Angels,
Trout.
especially Mike Trout.
Mike
And
Trout.
now Adrian, my little brother, is a huge fan when we used to be Padres.
No, I still like the Dodgers.
So here we are having breakfast before we go to
Knott's.
Knott. So we're in the parking lot and we're about to get ready to go inside and see what rides we'll get on. You guys excited?
I'm very excited.
Adrian?
Yeah.
Excited? And here we go. We're on our way. Excited.
Look at that. Hey, this is my best friend.
These guys, when they get together, they become a unit, and I don't exist anymore.
No, that's not true. I love you.
Here we are.
Ooh, tasty. How about Adrian?
Hi, Adrian, my little buddy. This is my little brother.
This is gonna go
He's so cute. We made it in, you guys. And now we're gonna get onto Silver Bullet. So, you guys excited?
Yeah.
This ride is insanely epic. It's fun. Look at that. It's gonna be us. Here we are at the entrance of Silver Bullet. So we're deciding whether we want to get on it or not. But for sure we're going to get on this ride today. Right, you guys?
Yes, we are getting on this. My favorite ride. Well, actually, no. Hang Time is my favorite.
That one is scary.
I love Hang Time. Let's do it.
That one is so scary.
Oh, Jaguar's 10 minutes.
Okay, let's go to Jaguar. Let's get on Jaguar first.
Yeah,
Montezuma's Revenge 10.
Let's go to Jaguar
Let's do
first.
the Jaguar first.
I knew.
Pony Express is down.
I know.
No.
It's down.
I love Pony Express. So now we changed our mind. We're not gonna do Silver Bullet because there's a long line, but we are gonna get on it today. Instead, we're gonna go to Jaguar, which is I think the slowest roller coaster at Knott's Berry Farm, but it's nice. We are at Jaguar. Check it out, you guys.
Go wait first, Tony.
Pretty cool ride. Let's see how it is. I'm coming. Almost out. Stop. We're gonna be trading off and off so Adrian doesn't go by himself. But here we are.
Would you rather
Get on
be-
Silver Bullet.
Would you rather be the hero or the villain?
A very good ride to get on. So much fun. These guys loved it. You have to get on this ride. It is insanely good. And now we are going. Where are we going, you guys?
Hang Time.
Hang time.
Hang time. This right?
Oh, okay. He quit. I won.
Who won?
Okay, so we're about to get on the ride, and my wife is scared. Baby, are you scared?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Yes.
Are you scared?
He is nervous.
Yeah, she's really nervous. He feels like going to the restroom because he's really scared.
You need to go number 2.
So we're right next to the.
This ride's scary.
Actually, here again, we're gonna go to the front. We specifically asked for the front seat, so let's see how it goes. All right. Talk to you guys soon. Bye. All right, so we just got off the ride.
I'm still shaking from it. It is.
Yeah.
Adrian's not. So this part of Knott is called Ghost Town. Super fun. There's lots of interaction going on. The music.
Oh, the Indian show.
The Indian show, but I don't think, or I'm sorry, the Native American show.
Never going.
Ghost Rider. This is the line to get onto Ghost Rider. And there's still a second part or second level that we have to get to. Finally moving along. We're almost there. They already turned it on because it's getting kind of dark already. So excited.
Bro, it's creepy. It's creepy.
No way. I remember this ride when I was a little girl.
Look, wait. Is this...
How long have we been waiting?
Just 5 hours. 2 horas.
2 hours, and we're still not there yet.
Yeah, we're 2 hours of the 12 hours.
Oh my goodness.
I guess kind of the thing that
How was that?
It was so much fun.
It was epic. Oh my goodness. I am still shaking. How was that,
That was
baby?
great. Whoa.
We just did this roller coaster. We did that drop right there. And it was intense.
It smelled bad.
Was it worth the wait?
That was worth the wait.
The 2-hour wait.
It was a 2-hour wait, but it was worth
literally
it.
like 5 minutes.
I have not gone on that ride, like I said earlier, since I was like 13. I would definitely get it on again. It is worth it. It is so much fun. It's the best. And it's fast. Fast.
That was 2 hours.
4 hours.
Hold on.
How's your day going, my
That
love?
was good. Ghost Rider topped it all off.
I know. That's why it's a 2-hour long wait. Come on, you guys.
Hey.
So right now we're heading to the Snoopy on Ice show. It is such a beautiful show. And we hope we can make it because we came earlier and there was a long line. Oh, here it is. So hopefully we get to go. How was your day been?
Amazing.
You having a good time?
Yes. So we just finished watching the show. That was amazing.
Phenomenal.
Yeah. There was a backflip. Wow, someone was ice skating. Yeah.
Definitely
That's
recommend
freaking
it.
nuts.
We waited. How long did we wait for?
40 minutes, 30
Like
minutes.
40 minutes to go inside and sit down, but definitely
Yeah,
recommend
it was amazing.
It was beautiful.
There was a backflip. Wow, someone was ice skating.
Twice.
Twice.
It was a good show. Definitely recommend it. Beautiful. We weren't allowed to record, so I wanted to respect that. But it was beautiful. Honestly, Knott's Merry Farm is the place to come. Bring your kids, bring your family. It's beautiful.
Your place such as a pocket or purse. Once you are seated, pull the latch bar toward you, and please remember to keep your hands and arms inside the car at all times.
All clear, dispatch.
The last ride for today is hang time. My baby and Adrian are gonna ride it because I'm done. Oh my goodness.
Hey, we should make a horror movie, dude. Huh? We should make a horror movie.
But this ride is insanely good as well.
Buckle your seatbelt and your restraints will be locked the moment.
There they are hanging. How was that?
It was great. It's so much fun.
I record you guys on the whole ride. Time to go home. We had so much fun in here. Our time here is done.
That's so much fun.